Hello, my fellow YouTubers. In my previous video, I was telling people that my nephew needs help to build his stock portfolio. While I was selecting companies for him, I just realized that I should just make a video about it. Everyone has their own way to do it, that is the reason there are different portfolio managers in various firms with various returns and risks. Today, I am going to give a brief introduction to portfolio making. I hope you guys able to learn something from this. In addition, if you have a different opinion or suggestion, please leave your thoughts on the message board. Do not just click the dislike button. We are here to learn from each other, not bashing each other. Regardless of the quality of this video, please click the like button then others able to find it from the internet. It is just my 2 cents of contribution to the community. Thank you and enjoy it. This instruction is not going to talk about the basic knowledge of stock quotes, opening an account, order stock, and transfer money. I assume you already know about those. If not, please Google it. I just want to point out that when to use market order and when to use limited order. The market order is no time delay. It will execute your order right the way after the submission. On the other hand, the limit order has to wait until the price gets to the limit you previously set in order to execute. It can be a day order or cancel until notified by you. I use market order most of the time because I am in the market every day. If I am away from the market, I might need to set up the limit order instead. It is your own choice. Before we are building the stock portfolio, we need to set up the investment time and rate of return. For instance, we won't hold the stock for more than 1 year, we consider it a long-term investment. Otherwise will be short-term. IRS tax them differently. Normally the long-term has a better tax advantage. Please go to irs.gov for detail. The rate of return has a lot to do with the risk factor to me. Some portfolio managers like to pick stock first then decided on the return later, but I rather do it at first, then it will be easier for me to select the stock accordingly. Once when we clear about the rate of turn ratio, then we need to select a stock to match our goals. The risk factor has a lot to do with the stock we select. I strongly recommend using the S&P sectors to select stock. The link will be in the description section of this video for you to be referenced. The S&P sectors constitute 11 sectors and 24 industry groups. It covers all public trade companies in U.S. I strongly recommend selecting one stock from each sector with minimal 11 stock. Because the money is flowing from one sector to another on a daily basis. So you have a chance to catch the wave. If you want a higher rate of return, then select more stocks from one particular sector, then the weight will be heavier on that particular sector. For instance, if you select multiple stocks in an IT sector, then each time when IT stocks move, you will have a higher gain or loss. That is what my portfolio does. I have more than half of stock in the IT sector, so my daily movement is about 3 to 5%. The rule of thumb is, the more the sector, the safer the portfolio. The more stocks evenly distributed into each sector, the more stable the portfolio. Once when we finish our stock selection, we need to distribute money to each stock. I like to set 20% cash on the side and evenly distribute the money to each stock by the percentage of the fund. For instance, if I have $10,000 with 20 stocks, I will allocate 4% to each stock, then I will also have 20% cash on hand just in case when the market crash, then I can buy something cheap. In addition, when you start to fulfill your stock orders, you rather buy multiple times instead of all 4% at once, because what if the price going down later, then you have no chance to even it out. This is my way of setting up a portfolio. If you have a different way to do it, please let me know in the message section. I hope you can share also. We are here to learn from each other. Our main goal is to make some money. Thanks, and don't forget to subscribe and click the like button. I will talk to you next time.